The Lady Stairs. This is a pedestrian footbridge above the Balbriggan-Skerries Road on the Dublin-Belfast railway line. In 1844, Great Northern Railway Line approached the Reverend Robert Taylor of Argiven Domain about the railway line to go through his land. He agreed that the railway line could go through his land on 3 conditions. He got shares in the company, the train would stop at the family's request, was to build a pedestrian bridge which is called the Lady Stairs, so the family could access a private beach. Local rumour has it that a ghost of the figure of a lady has been seen on numerous occasions crossing the bridge. It is said to be the ghost of Edith Connolly, who was a friend of the Taylor family, who came down on holidays and was drowned tragically many years ago. To find out more about the Lady Stairs and the history of the castle, why not come and visit the castle? It's open the whole year round, from 11 o'clock to 4:30 in the winter time and from 11 o'clock to 6 in the summer. The park and the grounds are open much later.